Hello, this is the See It, Try It, Speak It man's best friend, Buddy. Take a moment to look at the image. What do you see? On your own, try to make 2 to 3 English sentences describing the image. While you do this, pause the video. Pause now. Great. Did you say Buddy is a dog? Buddy looks happy. He has a fluffy tail. He is a light cream color with long hair. These are some examples of sentences you could have made about the image. Now, let's look at the image description. Buddy is a playful and energetic golden retriever. His soft golden fur shines under the sunlight, and his warm brown eyes look friendly and loving. Right now, he is happily running around the park, digging in the dirt. The brick he discovered in the ground seems like a hidden treasure, and Buddy wags his tail with excitement. His ears hang slightly, and a mischievous smile spreads across his face. He is a dog who explores the world and finds joy in the smallest things. Even as the sun sets, Buddy is full of energy. To him, the world is a playground filled with endless adventures and happiness. Buddy is more than just a pet. He is a true friend who is always by your side. He is man's best friend. Now that we have read the image description, let's do the 10 questions from our ebook. While you do these 10 questions, do them on your own first. Pause the video while you do this. Once you finish, we will go over the answers together. Pause now. Great job. Let's look at question number 1. What breed is Buddy? Breed means a type of dog. And we know from the image description that Buddy is B, a golden retriever. Question 2. What color is Buddy's fur? The answer here is C, golden. We see the color in the image, and the description uses this wording to describe his color. Question 3. What is Buddy doing in the park? And he is B, digging in the dirt, something dogs love to do. We can see this in the image. Question 4. What did Buddy find while digging? C, a brick. The image description tells us this information, and we see it in the image. Question 5. How does Buddy react after finding the brick? A, he wags his tail excitedly. Dogs use their tails to tell us when they're happy, sad, or even scared. So, the image description tells us he was wagging his tail excitedly. Question 6. What kind of personality does Buddy have? The answer is B, playful and energetic, the type of personality many dogs have, and how Buddy is described in the image description. Question 7. What time of day is in the description? Early morning, noon, late afternoon or evening, or midnight? The answer here is C, late afternoon or evening. The sun is starting to set. We see the sunlight in the image. It's not high like noon or early morning, but it's not dark like night. And the image description tells us a rough time. Question 8. What does the description compare the world to for Buddy? C, a playground full of adventures. Buddy is a puppy who has lots of energy and wants to go on many adventures. Answer is C. Question 9. Why is Buddy described as man's best friend? The answer is A, because he is always by your side. Dogs are completely loyal and will do anything for you. We know the answer is A, because he is always by your side, as the image description told us. Question 10. What makes Buddy look so loving? The answer is B, his warm brown eyes and playful smile. He looks so happy. He trusts you with his eyes. You see his love for you. The answer is B, as is told in the image description, and we can see in the image. Now that we have done the 10 questions and gone over them together, go back on your own and do the questions with our ebook. The ebook will go over each question with a detailed explanation of each answer. Also, reread the image description 2 to 3 more times. This will help with your understanding, sentence structure, and English vocabulary. I also recommend looking at the image again. Make more sentences. It's good practice. In today's lesson, we described Buddy. Did you like it? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification button. You can check the description box below for the link to our ebook. It's available at the Google Store only and will be on sale for 30% off for 3 months. Remember, no matter how challenging it looks, never give up. English isn't hard when you're with me. In fact, English is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Thanks again so much for watching, and please like and subscribe to help us continue to make this content for you. This journey is one we are on together. So until next time, bye-bye for now.